If you want to add pages to your PDF file, this is your video. Okay, so actually this is very simple. The only thing you have to do is to go to iLovePDF.com, and once you're here, you have to scroll down till you find Organize PDF. Excellent. So now you have to select a PDF file or drop the PDF file into the page. For example, I'm going to drag this one that I have used recently in another video, and you can press here in the plus button, add more files. You can add from your computer, Google Drive, and Dropbox. Also, you can press add blank page, and in this blank page you can add whatever you want with the add more files here. And once you do that, you press organize, and you will receive the download button for the PDF that you have add a new page. So if this video was helpful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, press the bell and the subscription button, and don't forget to check out every video we have on our channel because they are very interesting. So goodbye and easy way.